Could have done a better job at this, but that's not important. We got another bike. It's a cruiser, and I think it's a 7-speed. I don't know, it was cheap, 150 bucks. The reviews on Amazon was good, and it was Prime, so free shipping. Let's put a motor on it. What's up, guys? Sorry about the mess. Been working on a lot of stuff, but it's my weekend, and it is 1 o'clock, which means the gun range is open. Now, I haven't gone to sleep yet, so I need to make this quick. Anyways, we're going to take the hybrid out because it's been proving itself reliable on my trips to work. But we're going to double its range pretty much. It's going to be the longest trip I've taken, and it's really hot outside, so I'm taking a lot of water just in case the motor breaks down or whatever. Anyways, the street cruiser is pretty much ready to go. I took it out on a few test runs the past couple of days, and it's working. But just like with the first bike, the rear sprocket ran out of true, even though I mounted it as true as I could. I actually bought the clamp-on bracket for that, so we're going to put it on tonight. But more on that later. It's time to go to the gun range and shoot a .22 pistol that my boss sold me like a month or two ago. And I've been meaning to shoot, but it's just been too damn hot. And it's really hot today, but well, at least I have an excuse. This might be a terrible idea. It is really humid. Man, it's hot. At least I'm not going to be doing most of the work. But it also brings up another concern. These 2-stroke engines, you're only really supposed to ride them for about 30 minutes. We're letting them cool off, and I don't think it's going to take us anywhere near that long to get there. But with it being as hot as it is, it might shorten that time down quite dramatically. I found with this thing, I really never have to use the choke. Backpacks can get heavy when you fit them out for going to a range. Pistol, bunch of ammo, on top of water, snacks, tools. And I thought I only brought the bare essentials. Hey guys, LA Hover and Post Editing here. There is a small rattly clip on the inside of my tripod that I did not know existed until I tried to put it on a shaky bike. So I do apologize for that noise you're going to hear during the video. It's not horrible, but it's kind of annoying. Alright, we should be good to fire her up. Yeah, there she goes. Kill the motor so I can talk to you guys. I don't have to pedal, let alone pedal as hard as I am. But I didn't want to get this to have the engine do all the work. It's more than capable of taking me the whole way quite quickly. It's got plenty of torque to get up and down these small hills, and even some of the fairly steep ones. But I still want to get a little bit of a workout, you know? So if I make it all the way to the gun range without any problems, this is going to be really cool because I love going to the gun range. But I could never walk it if my car died. I'm just doing a little visual check because it's going to get pretty bumpy here and I want to make sure everything's tight. I checked it before I rode it this morning. I just want to make sure we don't see any loose bolts. Alright, here we go. This is going to be the real test. This thing has no suspension. gonna take it real easy. This road is always torn all to hell. And after all the rain we just had, it's probably gonna be real bad. I'm mostly just worried about the chain coming off. It's never done it, but it's always in the back of my mind, you know? Looks like they just braided it, which is good. Very good. Dude, guys, I think we're gonna make it. I have a really simple philosophy with this thing. Do not go faster than you feel comfortable crashing. We freaking made it. We freaking made it. I'll be damned, I kind of didn't expect to make it. Alright, so it's really hot. I'm just going to shoot a little bit and then we're going home. That thing's about as much of a motorcycle as my little hatchback is a Ferrari. We made it, I'm alive, the bike's alive, and I just heard thunder way, way off in the distance. Which is cool and not cool because I'm pretty sure it's not going to hit me before I get home. But the thought that it might is pretty sweet because honestly, I kind of want to ride that through the rain. So here she is. Let's go ahead and shut the fuel off real quick. I really don't know why. It's a trooper, man. Let's see what's in the bag. Ammo. Nothing important. Nothing. Hearing protection. This is just in case I got hungry. It was a last minute thing. I got tools, bike pump, bike fix-a-flat, or that slime stuff. Vienna sausage, not the best thing to bring on a hot day, but it's just in case. I've got plenty of water. And they have water here at the range. Water, I'm drinking one of these right now. Gun, ammo, more ammo. Some targets, stapler to put targets up. Sorry about all the noise, people gotta work. So my boss sold me this about, what, 2 months ago maybe? This is a Ruger Mark II. And I have never had a .22 pistol, let alone a Ruger Mark II. So we have some ammo, more ammo. Let's go shoot it. I don't know if it works. I don't know if the sights are on. I don't know if I'm going to be any good with it. I'm going to try it at 20. I'm just gonna try it at 20. I can hear thunder and I'm happy. It makes me happy. Seems pretty self-explanatory. Malfunction. Failed to extract. No, failed to fire. Ammo, probably. I think the gun's fine. I think it was bad ammo. Okay, wow, that was pretty crappy. But it looks like I got them all on a printer paper size target at 20 yards. Gun I've never shot before. Dripping with, it is not comfortable to shoot. So if there's like, this is probably the best time to practice shooting. You're sweaty, shaky, uncomfortable. You think real life's gonna be comfortable? Let's shoot something else. Something a little bigger. That storm is rolling in quick. We might get lucky. She is all sorts of pocket lint covered. Surprised it ain't hacked up, no hairballs. Smith & Wesson M&P9 with some reloads. I believe these are 125 grain Lee cast lead bullets made by yours truly. No drone today. What's up with that? Probably until fall weather starts kicking in. I'm just taking a break from doing anything. The only reason I'm doing this today is because it's new and shiny. And I needed to come out and shoot because I haven't practiced since the weather got hot. Which is bad. It's a no-no. This one should be lubed with liquid Alox. Alright, 15 yards. Printer paper size target. And I'm gonna be rusty as all hell. Rounds feel good though. It's got a nice pop to it. I got tired of missing. It wasn't that bad, but it was definitely a good 4 misses for sure. 17 shots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I ain't done that bad in a long time. I haven't been shooting in a long time. See, unlike riding a bike, shooting skills diminish rapidly, at least for me. Alright, well, our storm is almost here, so I think I'm going to recharge this battery and see if we can get some rain. Hope you guys enjoyed the shooting. If I had to choose, probably the best feeling that you can have in nature, for me personally, is this one right here. When you can hear the thunder and you feel the breeze just start as that big ass storm rolls in to cool you off. That's one of my favorite things in the world that you can get for free. Here she comes, baby. Time to get the bike ready. Woo! Might blow over. Might be a little more than I wanted.
I know you can't get home. We can't even get back to the
I can't even get back to the shed. motor's great. I'm gonna be so muddy. The mud is real. Here's a big truck, big old FedEx truck. Damn FedEx, they lost my first motor. The first motor I was gonna build a bike with, FedEx just donated it to some random address. Now, as long as I don't get hit by lightning, this is gonna be a really pleasant ride. Because honestly, this is incredibly comfortable. Not the seat. The seat sucks and my ass hurts, but I feel good. I feel really good. Little bumpy. Little bumpier than I'd like. My pants are so heavy. It feels like I'm lifting weights while I'm pedaling. Check it real quick before we get on the main road. Yeah, it loosened up a little, but it's not like flopping all over the place. I think most of what I'm hearing is it hitting the chain guard. I keep forgetting I got a chain guard on it. Tastes good. Tastes really good. She's still smoking that brake in. Yeah, that chain came loose all right. Look at that. Tonight we're replacing that sprocket with the clamp-on one. But man, is she a little trooper or what? I guess the question is now, will she start up tomorrow? Ah, feels like I'm wearing cinder blocks on my feet. Oh, my keys are in the bag. Oh, this is gonna take forever. All right, peace out, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the ride to the range, through the rain, and then back again. We broke 50 miles on the motorized bike without a single problem, except for the chain coming. It didn't come off. It just got loose, and I expected it to. That's why I was going really chill, just cruising right along. Oh, I sound like such a nerd. I'm hungry and tired. Bye. Here we go. It's so beautiful.